If you're running Starlink Mini in an RV or a truck and you don't want power issues, this absolutely solves it. So here's exactly what comes in the box. Now you get this Starlink Mini power cable with a cigarette lighter plug and the built-in step-up converter all in one solid piece. There are no loose adapters, no extra connections. Now vehicles don't deliver stable voltage, so it can drop or spike, and that's really bad for a Starlink Mini. Now this cable boosts 10 to 28 volts up to a stable 30 volts at 3.5 amps, exactly what Starlink Mini needs, so you don't have to worry about voltage drop or rise. It's housed in aluminum, sealed for durability, and built as one continuous cable. You can see just the entire thing at once. It's safer and more reliable than setups with multiple connectors. And it also has built-in protection against overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. So you just plug it in to your vehicle's 12-volt outlet and power their Starlink Mini anywhere. Trucks, RVs, off-grid setups, basically anything you want, it's all ready to go. So if you want a clean, safe, no stress way to power Starlink Mini on the road, this cable is an absolute must-have.